In these word problems, we're adding another piece to our equation. The two equations that we've been using over the past few days are for percent of increase or percent of decrease. Each one has an A, which is our starting amount, or sometimes called the principal. And then we have 1 plus R, which is our percent as a decimal, if it's an increase, or 1 minus R, if it's a decrease. Well, these problems have something that's changing, or the percent is changing, each year for a certain number of years. So we add this little exponent, which is t, that refers to the number of years. So our first example here says that in 2005, a person bought a new car for $27,500. For each consecutive year after that, the value of the car depreciated by 12%. How much would the car be worth in the year 2008? To the nearest $100. If it's depreciating, that means it's going down. So I'm going to use this equation. My starting amount was $27,500. So that goes in place of A in the equation. I have 1 minus my percent as a decimal is 0.12 or 0.12. I got that by doing 12 divided by 100. Now my time in years, I'm going from 2005 to 2008. So it goes 2006, it goes down, 2007, it goes down, 2008, it goes down. So it'll be 3 years, so I put a little exponent of 3. Now I can put this all into the calculator. If you don't have a calculator at home, you can use the Desmos Scientific Calculator. The little caret button on your keyboard is how you get the 3. So you type in 27,000, parentheses, 1 minus 0.12, close parenthesis, and then you push the caret button, which looks like that, and then the 3. This comes out to be 18,740 and 48 cents. But it did say to round to the nearest $100. So nearest $100 is this place right here. The 4 does not affect that. So this becomes $18,700. In my next example here, I have a company that made $6.6 million profit. For each consecutive year after that, the profit increased by 15%. We have to know how much the company's profit would be in the year 2005. So if it's increasing, I'm going to use this equation here. My starting amount is what they had in 2003. So this is 6.6 million. 1 plus my percent as a decimal is 0.15. So I got that by doing 15 divided by 100. The amount of time is going from 2003 to 2005. So that means in 2004 it goes up, and again in 2005. So that's 2 years. So I can type this all into the calculator, and I get $8.7285 million. They want it to the nearest tenth of $1 million, so that'd be this spot right here. So make sure you're paying attention to what it's asking you to round to in each problem. So this would be $8.7 million.